Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Designed and constructed on this 35,368 square feet of land is a 8,546 square feet split level incomplete residence. It is located in the upscale community of Ingleside, Mandeville. This can be an investment opportunity or a family home. This fantastic house consists of a ground floor with a front porch, entry foyer, double car garage, powder and utility room, kitchen, recording studio, bathroom, laundry room, powder room, bedroom, living room, dining room, entertainment area, two passageways, and a rear porch. The upper floor features a landing area, master bedroom with ensuite kitchenette, dressing area, master bathroom, office, three bedrooms, front balcony, meditation area, studio apartment, bedroom, living, kitchen, bathroom, and laundry room. The property is wired for security and solar systems and features a double septic tank system being sold by way of a private treaty, as is, where is, internal viewing is not allowed. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 54 million or US $350.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.